So today I'm going to embroider a bag. I'm going to show you how to put the glitter in there. I'm going to show you my supplies. I've got this Lost for Class with some fold over sparkly elastic. That's my hoop there, 7x9 by 7x9. And my zipper, my vinyl. I also have a clear vinyl besides these two that I'm showing here. And so I first stitched the die lines of the bag. And I also have some glitter here. This is what I'm going to fill inside of the bag. So shiny. I got that one at Target. And these were Martha Stewart in the party section at Michael's. So I've stitched the die lines here. And then you put the zipper on there. Those lines are to tell you where to place your zipper. And the middle line is where the teeth should be. So I'm going to tape it into my hoop. And I want the zipper part and the other end part of the zipper to not be in that stitch area and to be away from all the stitches. You don't want to break your needle and make your machine mad. So then when I stitch those on, I just take off the tape. This bag's going to be so cute. My daughter has already taken it, so she's like, it's fine. So take the tape off. You can leave it there if you want. I just choose to take it off, cut my strings. It's pretty easy to do, and it's a quick sew. I love to do these in the hoop bags. So here I've got this shiny purple, and I'm going to layer it this way with the pretty side towards facing the zipper, touching the zipper. And you'll see, so it'll stitch right there, and I want it to be outside that stitch line. So everything catches, and I kind of trimmed it. So now I'm going to fold it back and tape that down so it stays flat, because it's going to do a top stitch over that part. So there it is, all stitched. And here's my clear vinyl. It's very staticky, so you can get some dryer sheets. I need to go get some. I'm actually going to go to Hobby Lobby tonight. And so I'll stop by the other store to get some dryer sheets. So I'm going to place one piece of clear vinyl up against the edge of the zipper. You don't want it too close. And you just rearrange all your glitter shiny pieces. Like I said, those right there are from the party section. Martha Stewart, it's confetti, goes on the table. And I just thought it was so cute. I love those big round circles. I want to find a bunch more in all different colors. And then here's my unicorns. So cute. I just love these. And there's also like little starbursts in there. And sprinkle them all around, spread them out. Whatever you like. It's so fun. I've been inspired by all these glitter bags that I've been seeing in the stores. And I almost got one, a little small one for $14.99. I was like, no way, I'm making it. I almost bought it, but glad I didn't. I'd rather buy a file from Parker on the Porch. Really good price. And you get to have fun and customize it and make it your own. So here I have a little glitter brush, and I just make sure I brush all those pieces in there. I like that brush. And then I take my second piece of vinyl, and I'm going to sandwich all the glitter in between there. And you could tape this down if you want. I didn't. Taping's good. Keeps all your stuff together. Sparkly. So I'm going to stitch that. It's stitched all around the glitter part has been stitched. So now this is another piece for the bottom. It's like a bottom panel. And we're going to stitch that straight, and we're going to fold it back just like we did that top part. So that gets folded back nice and tight. I think I cut that down because I had it so long. Yeah. And then I'm going to tape it flat so that it stays right where I want it. And it's not like too, you don't want bumps in it and stuff. I really love this shiny fabric. I love everything shiny. So there, it's all stitched. I hope this isn't going too fast for you guys. And so now, everything that we want to be on the outside of the bag, we're going to actually tape on the inside of this bag. So I'm going to tape in that Of course, open your zipper. Please do not forget. I've had to take out some of my stitches before, so just don't do that. It's just a pain. So I'm going to tape this down to make sure it does not move. I do not want to break my needle. I do not want to mess with my presser foot or any of the stitches. Now this piece we're going to lay flat, pretty side to pretty side, and it's going to stitch all around. So there we go, that's all stitched. Now I'm going to flip it over, and this is going to be like what you see through the clear vinyl. So whatever you want to see through to the front, that's the part you're going to put. So it stitched it. Sorry, I'm moving my camera all around. It's just trying to get it all focused. So I take it out my hoop, and I'm going to rip off all of that tear away and remove tape and all that. And then I like this. I got a big roll off Amazon. Just tear it all away. Nice and easy. And then now I'm going to cut all the way around, but right there I'm going to leave a little bit of a lip, I guess you can call it, just so when I turn it, I can easily glue it. So I'm going to cut all the way around. I won't bore you with that part. Sorry, I'm shaking my camera all over. So now here I'm going to flip it, and those pieces stay so that you can turn your bag. And I cut the other ones off. I kept the two pieces that I want to, the two lining pieces. So there's that. So now I'm going to tear away all of the rest of that stabilizer. And this is the inside of the bag. I didn't bore you with that. And so that's the part I saved. So I'm going to fold it all in. You'll notice when you make your bag, you'll see it. And plus, Parker on the Porch, they do, and her YouTube channel is Angela Perry. She does all the files for that company. Really good tutorials. That's how I learned to embroider. So I'm using tacky glue. I need to go get some. Like I said, I'm going to Hobby Lobby tonight, so I better not forget some fabric tack. But I just used tacky glue, and it worked. But I'd rather the fabric tack, because I'm sure it's better for fabrics. This is like kind of stiff, but so yeah, Aleene's tacky glue, it sticks to a lot of stuff. And I'm gonna get my clips and clip all the edge of that. I'm looking for them. And then I'm gonna wait a while. The fabric tack, it only takes 3 to 5 minutes to dry. This took a long time, so I had to wait. And I just went and did something else. I think I took a nap or something. I don't know. So, yeah, I'm going to let it dry, and I'll be back. And there we go. So cute. I'm loving this bag. My daughter snatched it already. She loves it. Thanks so much for watching, guys.